Guys, now please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Am I audible, guys? Now please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Am I audible? Guys, now please type in questions box. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Am I audible, guys? Everybody, please respond to me. All of you get my voice on screen, guys. Please type in questions box. Am I audible? Is my screen is clear to all of you guys? Yeah. I think all of you get my screen also. Right. Right. Good evening, guys. And just give 1 minute of time, then I will complete the formalities. All right, so just give a minute of time, I'll start it. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Right, so now just 1 minute. All of you please take this link now, these details, especially these two things here we have to take. Everybody take these two details. Especially if we take this link now, then in that link we are able to see all these details. https://tinyurl.com/core java 730pm. Okay. Right, sir. Now let me check it whether this link is working or not. Now just 1 minute. Alright, so then if we give that link address in the address bar, there we are able to get introduction document. Core Java 730 PM is a content here. There we are able to get introduction. If you open this, there we are able to get the document, today's document. Just whatever the document I copied here, the same document here we are able to get. So this is for the sake of the classroom notes. Daily I'm going to type the notes inside the class. That notes link I have given to you 24/7. Anytime we can open it and we can watch the total document. So this is introduction topic. That means introduction document here we are getting. But I given folder share with you actually. The total folder share I given there. Topic by topic, I'm going to provide the documents. I'm going to create the documents. All documents you are able to see there clearly with the same link now. Okay. Throughout the core Java, throughout the course, you are able to see the same link. You are able to get the documents through the same link now. Okay, leave it. It's okay. Now it is working fine. Now coming to the content, and better to take even this one also. Take this one also. This Google Classroom code. Okay. Google Classroom code. For what purpose I'm going to use this? Google Classroom app is available, right? Mobile app is available, and desktop also it is available. There in the documents we can identify clearly. In a Gmail, if you open that, where Google Apps, if you open there, Classroom app is available. If you install it or if you open it, there you have to go for the. We have to select the option like Join Classroom, not create classroom. Two options are coming. One is create classroom, another one is what there, join classroom. I already created classroom. You have to join in that classroom now. All right, if you join with that class with this particular code, it is asking about classroom code. If you enter this code, you will be joined with my classroom, where I'm going to have direct communication with you. Directly, if I want to talk with you something immediately, I'm able to give communication with you through this particular app only. I will show how to install it and how to open it and how to do communication with me. That means if I want to pass some message to you, I will pass it through this particular app. If you want to send some technical doubts or anything with me, directly we can post our questions there. I can give reply for that. Not only me, some other students also may give reply to you directly. So Google Classroom app we are going to use for the sake of our communication, direct communication from my side to directly to with you. Okay, leave this content, guys. And now coming to the introduction content here. Okay, then all these things here I will discuss with you later on. Not to worry for it. First of all, let us understand the content here. Introduction topic, very startup topic here I'm telling to you. Introduction. First of all, tell me Java programming language. Here we are going to understand. Anyway, then this is the course for the sake of the full stack Java. In full stack Java, what content, what courses are available, and all the things here I'm going to discuss with you. No need to worry for it. What we are going to discuss with you, what we are going to provide, all the content at the end of the session, I'll give clarity for it. First of all, tell me, all of you now tell me, if you take any project, if you take any software project, we are going to implement the software project by following some life cycle phases, some life cycle activities. Now tell me what exactly the life cycle activities or life cycle phases are available for any software project. That means different life cycle models are available. Even I'm not asking about that life cycle models. Directly in any life cycle model, whatever it may be, if you want to start a project and if you want to complete a project in a company, what exactly the life cycle phases we are going to follow? Mainly high-end life cycle stages, if we take now, 4 phases we are going to use mainly. Yes, sir. What are the various phases we are going to have there? 4 phases. What phases are available in general? Observe carefully. I will list out all the phases. Okay? Now try to understand it clearly. Main phases. And one more point I'm telling there. Today I'm going to give the description about only high-end, top-end level, topmost phases of the project life cycle, not like internal concepts. All right, sir. Now the very first one is like what there analysis phase. In general, we are able to have what there analysis phase. The very first one is what there analysis. Everybody understand my point clearly. After this analysis, now tell me what is the second one here? After this analysis, what is the second one here? No? The second one is what there development. The second phase of the project life cycle is what there development. Then what is the third one, sir? After development phase there, the next one is what their QA, like what their testing phase, for example. After the testing, the last one, another important phase is what there. Now tell me. There we are going to understand like what their production phase. These are mainly high-end life cycle phases of any project. Again, I'm telling there, these are the basic terminology for any project life cycle. But internally, so many subphases are available. They are going to be varied from one model of the software life cycle to another model. Waterfall model or maybe some other models are available. Model to model, some changes are going to be happen. But in every model, mainly these 4 phases are going to be available. Right. Now, observe carefully. If we take analysis phase, who will participate in analysis phase actually? Who will participate in analysis phase? Some analysts, for example, or maybe high-end people in the project architecture, they will participate in what their analysis phase. Now today we are not going to talk more about that analysis phase. Even it is not required for us, as I want to talk about full stack Java. I'm not going to think about what their analysis phase. High-end people in the project architecture, they will take the responsibility of what analysis phase. Just leave this part here. Now coming to the development part. In general, if we take the development part, there are 3 types of developments there we are going to understand. 3 types of developments there we are going to understand. Observe carefully. In general, again, this also I'm telling to you clearly like what there high-end content only I'm taking there, not like too much internal content here. At the topmost level, what are the various types of the developments here we are going to understand. All right, sir. At our basic level, we can understand the first one is what there front-end development. The first one is like what there front-end development, and the second one is what there middleware application development. That means simply speaking, server-side application development, server-side implementation, server-side application directly. And the third one is what there backend development. Backend development. Is it? All of you are getting it now? And a development, just we are going to take what are the 3 types. What are the 3 types of these developments here? First one is what there front-end development, and the second one is what there middleware application development, and the third one is what there backend development. They are the 3 types of the developments here we are going to understand. And again, I'm telling there, this is only high-end, that means top-end level, topmost level content only I'm discussing with you, not too much internal content here. This classification is totally high level classification only I'm providing. Try to understand it now. All right, sir. Now coming to the front-end development. If we take any project, what we are able to see inside the front end development now, max we are able to see that web pages development. Am I right or not? Max we are able to get what there? Web pages development. If we take a project now, front end, middleware application development, and back end if we take now, front end part is nothing but what there? That pages preparation. Completely web pages preparation or pages preparation. The pages and its related activities that we are going to do with this what there? Front end development. Now tell me, to prepare this front end development, what technologies and tools we are going to use maximum? So many tools are available, but basic technologies are what we are going to use there to complete this front end development. No? Right. Further purpose, I'm giving a set of technologies. Observe carefully. To prepare the front end part, the basic, very much basic elements are provided by one technology. What is the technology, sir? Now tell me. HTML. Sir, am I right or not? HTML text. Minimum of the minimum. We are going to use what there? HTML. After this HTML, what next one here? No styles. Definitely, we are going to use some style sheets, right? CSS. After the CSS, what next one here? We are going to use the Bootstrap. Bootstrap is another one here. Maybe some frameworks or tools, whatever it may be, related to front end. We are going to use all these things. Then after this, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. Then after that, what next one here? No, JavaScript. We are going to use JavaScript here. We are going to use for the sake of the validations, maybe client side validations, maybe for the sake of the event handling, maybe at client side. No, we are going to use what there? JavaScript. After completion of the JavaScript, some frameworks are available. Understand this clearly. What are the frameworks here? We are going to use there Angular. Angular is one of the framework for the front end development. Angular here we are going to use another one. After this Angular, then what next one here now? Nowadays maybe React.js is one of the demanded one in outside React.js. Then after that, another one is what there? Vue.js. Vue.js. Like this, number of technologies and frameworks are available to prepare this front end development. Observe carefully. What technologies here we are going to use for the front end development? These are the various technologies suit here we are going to use for what their front end development. Guys, all of you understand it clearly what I'm telling to you. If you want to prepare any project, mainly how many phases are available? 4 phases. What are the 4 phases? No, analysis, development, testing, and production. But here analysis, I'm not going to talk more about it. Why? Because high-end people in the project architecture, they will participate in what their analysis phase can. Some business analysis or maybe some different things are available that we are not going to understand now at present here. Just leave this one. After this, after completion of this development part, if we take now, 3 types of developments mainly we are going to identify. What are the 3 types of developments here? Front end development, middleware application development, and the next one is what there? Back end development. In the front end development, what technologies here we are going to use? What technologies and frameworks we are going to use there? HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, Angular, React.js, and so on and so on and so on. Similarly, if we come for this middleware application development, what is this middleware application development actually? At least some idea here we need to have. Simple example I'm telling to you, know, observe carefully. Some Gmail, I think almost all of you might be aware about it. Gmail account if you want to create, first of all we have to go for sign up process or not. Sign up. If you click on that sign up now, some registration form here we are able to get. In the registration form, we are going to enter the data. After entering the data, when we click on submit button, for example, automatically what will happen? Automatically request will be submitted to the server side application or not? Server side application. At server side application, what is going on? Server side application will take our data. It will validate the data, whether the data is valid or not. After that, the data will be stored into the repository. The data is going to be stored into the databases, for example. Understand it clearly. So first of all, registration phase here we are having. This is what their front end. In the registration phase, we enter the data. After that, we clicked on what their submit button. Request will be submitted to the server side application. At server side, one application is required to collect our data, to process the data, to store the data into the repository, means into the database now. So to take our data, to process the data, to store the data into the databases, what we required here? Here we required one server side application or not? There definitely we required one server side application. That server side application is nothing but what there? Middleware application development. For preparing that application, we are going to use what there? Middleware application development. Good. To prepare the server side applications, number of technologies options are available. Number of options are available for us. Different technologies are available. So mainly I'm going to take three cases now. One is what there, Python. We can use Python to prepare this middleware application development. Python and its related frameworks. Second one is what there, .NET and its related frameworks we are able to use. Java and its related frameworks also we are able to use to prepare what there, middleware application development. For example, if you take Python, what technologies and frameworks there we have to use? Maybe core Python or maybe advanced Python or maybe like what there, related frameworks now, Django. Next one is what there, Flask maybe, REST API, and so on and so on, some other technologies. If we take .NET as a technology for middleware application development, C#.NET is available, ASP.NET is available. Like apart from this, MVC frameworks are available, like different technologies. Similarly, if we take Java as a middleware application development technology, if we take Java, what we are able to get there, now understand it clearly. There we are going to understand like what their core Java is one of the technology, is one of the programming language we require. Apart from this core Java, the next one is what there, advanced Java here we require, and the next one is what there, Hibernate. After this Hibernate, the next one is like what there, Spring, Hibernate. Then after this Hibernate, Spring. After this Spring, next one is what there, Spring Boot. After this Spring Boot, microservices. After this microservices, web services. These many technologies and tools and frameworks here we require to prepare what their middleware application development. As understand it clearly what I'm telling to you. To prepare this middleware application development, if you want to use Java, in Java, what we are going to have the technologies like what? Core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, and web services. These many things here we need to have awareness. But if we take Java, if we take Python, some other technologies search. If we take .NET, some other technologies search. But if we take Java, these many technologies here we have to understand clearly. Right, sir? It's okay, fine. Now coming to the last one. What about this last one here? No, backend development. Understand my point clearly. Backend development. Backend development in the sense what the repositories. Totally data storage. No. All right. For that we are going to use mainly what technology is there. Maybe we are going to use like what there, Oracle. Then once again I'm telling there, the basic technology suit on I'm telling there. If we move on to the internals now, so many other technologies will come into the picture. But in the basic architecture here, I'm discussing all the points here. Oracle may be one of the database technology. Next one is what there, MySQL, MySQL or MySQL, and so on. So many other options are also available. But mainly we are going to use what there, backend technology. Backend technologies like Oracle and MySQL for what there, backend development. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity or not? Now tell me, for the development point of three categories, three divisions here we are understanding clearly. What are the three parts in the development here? Front-end development, middleware application development, back-end development. To go for this front-end development, what technologies here we require now? HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, Angular or React.js, and so on and so on and so on. To prepare this middleware application development, what we require here? Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, and Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, and web services. To prepare these backend technologies, backend development, what we require here? Maybe some backend technologies like what? Oracle or MySQL. What is the job of this backend system actually? If we take the Gmail example, what I've given there, registration form we are getting where we enter our data, maybe first name, last name, or mobile number or email ID, something else. We are going to enter the data. When you click on submit button, request will go to the server side application. Server side application will take your data, will process the data. After that, the data must be stored into a database or not. There we require one backend system or not. There we are going to keep some data or not. Because of that reason here we are going to have what there, backend development, backend system. What backend systems in general we are going to use for the Java application development, maybe Oracle or maybe MySQL, like these different technologies here we are going to use now. This is like what I'm telling there, development part here. Right, sir. Once the development part is completed, then what next one here we are going to understand. Right there we have to go for what there, testing. Testing in the sense what there, QA. Like what there, okay, fine. To perform this testing, what we are going to use there mainly, right, sir, the course or maybe technologies here what we are going to use there, manual. Then what next one here, Selenium. Manual plus Selenium. Both here we are going to use to perform what their testing now. To perform testing, what we required here? Manual. Then what next one here? Selenium. Anyway, then that is a separate course. Actually, this is one part of the course now. Understand it clearly. Manual and Selenium that we are going to use. After this, after completion of this particular content here, the next one is what their production. Tell me guys, now inside the production, what we are going to do actually? In a production environment, what we are going to do mainly? In a production, mainly we are going to perform, like what there? Deployment and its related activities. Then after this, deployment and its related activities, then what next one here? We are going to use what there? Some monitoring. Deployment and some monitoring, this kind of things here we are going to perform inside this what their production. Just we are submitting that means we are giving our entire project to respective client. There we are going to install our project at our client home there, so that the production issues are going to be happen there. In the production we are going to have like what there? Deployment and monitoring kind of things here we are going to perform. Not only these two, maybe some other internal content is also be happen, but at a high end here I'm telling to you clearly, deployment and monitoring that we are getting clearly. Right, one small thing now, try to understand it clearly. If we want to perform this deployment and monitoring, this kind of activities, we are going to use what there? Some deployment servers, some infrastructure here we are going to use some deployment servers, maybe some databases maybe, and maybe some network, or maybe some kind of infrastructure here we are going to use. Observe carefully. Nowadays, what companies are going to do there? The companies are not going to maintain their own servers, their own databases, their own infrastructure for the projects. They want to give the total infrastructure support for the to the some third party vendors. Can you tell me who are the third party vendors to supply this infrastructure support for the projects nowadays? No. Right, nowadays that who are providing that infrastructure support for our projects there? Some cloud providers are giving that kind of support to us. Get my point or not? Cloud providers. Who are the cloud providers in outside there? Who are the cloud providers now we are having in outside there? Then so many cloud providers are available, but mainly we are going to use three cloud providers mainly. What are the three cloud providers here though? The first one is what there? AWS, Amazon Web Services. This is one of the main cloud provider. Next one is what there? Next one is right, Microsoft Azure is also be another cloud provider. Next one is what there? Another one cloud technology is what there? GCP, Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Okay. But mainly, for example, we are going to use what there? AWS. For example, if you think about AWS now. All right. Now, one more point I'm telling there. AWS is a cloud provider. That's okay, fine. In production, what we are going to do mainly? In production, what we are going to do mainly? Deployment here we are going to do mainly. Am I right or not? If we want to deploy our project there, we require server. Where we are going to maintain that server? If we want to maintain the server, definitely we require one operating system or not? Definitely one operating system, one platform is required or not? Then which platform is suitable for our server side environment? For the sake of the maintenance of the server, what operating system is required for us now? If we come for this operating system there, Windows operating system is not at all suitable for it. Which operating system there we are going to use? Mainly, for example, so many operating systems are available. For example, if you take now, Linux operating system is very good for what their server side maintenance. Am I right or not? For the sake of the server maintenance, what operating system we are going to use there? Linux operating system there we are going to use. Right, sir. Now we are going to use what there? Say we need to have like what environment here? Linux environment is also required. If we know that Linux environment, AWS is very simple. Why? Because AWS is going on effectively with what their Linux operating system. Right, sir. This is one thing. Fine. Linux operating system is okay. AWS cloud provider is ready. Then once we are getting the cloud provider, there we are able to get database instances. There we are able to get server instances. All the content here we are able to get. That every infrastructure is ready. After getting ready of this total infrastructure, what we have to perform there? We need to perform deployment. Not only deployment, at the time of performing deployment, so many things are going to be happen, that monitoring is also be required. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not? Deployment is required. Along with the deployment, some monitoring activities are also be required. To perform this deployment and its monitoring activities, we are going to use a set of tools. We are going to use what there? A set of tools. That set of tools are called what there? DevOps tools. Understand my point here? We are going to use a set of tools there. That set of tools are like what there? DevOps tools. Right, sir. Now we require like what there? DevOps tools also. Linux, AWS, then what next one here? DevOps tools. All three related things are going to be available for what there? Deployment and monitoring, which are come under what there? Production. Guys, try to understand the points what I'm telling to you. If we take project, any project there, what are the various life cycle phases we are going to perform? We are going to use there 4 phases. What are the 4 phases here? No, first one is what? Analysis, and the second one is what? Development. Next one is what? Testing. The last one is what? There production. All right, sir. Analysis phase anyway, high-end people in the project they will take care. No need to think much about it. Development part, if we take now, three types of development care we have taken. What are the three types of development care we have taken there? Front-end development, middleware application development, and back-end development. For example, I'm telling you now. In the front-end development, these are the various technologies and frameworks you are going to use. For the middleware application development, if we take Java, these are the various technologies and frameworks here we are going to use. Backend technologies like what there, Oracle or MySQL or maybe some other content here we are going to use. All of you understand it clearly what I'm telling to you. After that testing, if we take no manual and Selenium testing here we are going to use. Then after that production, if we take no, there we are able to have what there deployment and monitoring. They are the two activities we are going to perform mainly. For that we are going to use Linux or AWS and DevOps tools there we are going to use. This is overall the technology suite what we require to complete a particular project. Why I'm talking all these things you are going to understand in the future. Just understand 1 minute of time here. I'm going to give the conclusion now. Observe carefully. So to complete a particular project, what we require totally? Front-end development, these many technologies and tools. Middleware application development, all these many things. Back-end development, back-end technologies. Testing point of view, Selenium. Production point of view, these many things. All these technologies stored here we require. Are you forgetting it or not? All right, sir. If we take 15 years back, for example, 15 years or 10 to maybe 10 years back, if we take the development point, development process in the companies, how the development is going to be happen for the projects. No? If we take 10 years back, how development is going to be happen in the projects there? If we understand that point here, answer is very clear. They are going to maintain, companies are going to maintain a separate team for each and every process. For each and every task, a separate team they are going to maintain. Understand it clearly. What teams they are going to maintain here? For example, for the front-end development, they are going to maintain a separate team. Now, just namesake here, I'm giving there team 1, for example. The team 1 may include, depending on the project volume, they are going to take maybe, for example, some 5 members. Here we are going to take for what their front-end development. But depends on the project volume, I'm telling there now. Next one is, for example, for the sake of the middleware application development, they are going to take another team for the sake of the development. Again here, depends on the modules maybe. Again, multiple teams are going to be available. But example here, I'm telling to you, for example, with the 10 members, a separate team is going to be provided. This is like what the team 2 for the middleware application development in a small scale application, I'm telling now. For the sake of the backend development, again now what I'm telling there, maybe in a small scale application, 3 to 4 members, maybe backend team is also available. This is another team here. For the sake of the testing, maybe QA team, maybe team 4, maybe another 4 or 5 members are going to be available for this particular team. Developers are going to be included. For the sake of the production, operations team or maybe administrators team, maybe admin team, or maybe some different teams are going to be available for that. There we are going to use maybe some other team like what there, and 4 or 5 members team is also be existed here. For the sake of the servers administration team or maybe some system administrators, and then overall in the production environment, operations team. So many teams are available, sub teams are available. Maybe these many. This is another team here. Like this, here we are able to have some number of teams and so on. Still, I'm not fixing only 5 teams are going to be available and so on. Some other members are also be supporting for our project development. Now tell me all together, overall, how many teams are working for a particular project now? Example, I'm telling there minimum 5 teams or 5 to 10 teams. In an average, we are going to take it no 5 to 10 teams are working together. Yes, sir, got it or not? 10 is back development process if we take 10 to 15 is back development process if we take now. For example, we have a company, there only one project is going on, but to complete that project, how many teams are required there? 5 to 10 teams are required now. For example, If the project is in analysis phase, what is the job of all the remaining teams? No, what is the work for all the teams? No, understand my point here. If the project is in front end development, what about the remaining team situation? If other projects are available, other project work will come there. For example, only one project is going in. In the case I'm telling them, then what is the work for team 2, team 3, team 4, and team 5? No? If the project is in middleware application development, if the project is in the under app development, application development, what about the remaining team situation there? If the project is in testing, no, of course, the testing and development, that then automatically that movement is going to be happen between these two workflow there. So no need to think about it. But both the teams are going to be working together. Two teams are working there. But what about the remaining teams? No. If the project is under production there, what about the development and testing these teams there? See, if we take this total scenario, at a time, how many teams are working for a particular project? One or two teams are working maximum, but remaining teams are not having any work. Am I right or not? Where resources utilization is not good. Companies are not utilizing their resources effectively. Understand my point here? This is exactly the development process going on inside the companies, maybe 10 to 15 years back now. Their resources utilization is not at all good. Understand this point clearly. Then later on, companies have realized that now later on, companies have started their own process of utilizing the resources in an effective manner. What they followed the approach there? What they followed the approach? No, 10 to 15 is back. If any company wants to take any resource, no, if that resource in the sense might be that employee, I'm telling there in a company. If that employee is very good at front end development, they will take that employee. They will assign that front end work. If that employee is very good at middleware application development, they'll assign that application development work to the respective employee. If that employee is very good at backend development, and they will give that backend development work to the respective employee. That is 10 to 15 years back now. But at present, the company's approach is what there. They want to utilize the resources effectively. If they want to utilize the resources effectively, how they are going to take the resources in companies there? They want to take the resources. That resource must have knowledge on the top to bottom of the project. That resource must have knowledge on what there top to bottom of the project. What is the meaning of this top to bottom of the project? No, that resource must have knowledge on front end development, middleware application development, back end development, selenium, that means testing development and production issues. That resource must have knowledge on all the areas of the project, all the corners of the project. That resource must have knowledge. If that resource is having knowledge on all the areas, no, in all the areas, if that resource is having knowledge, then companies will utilize that resource in all phases of the project. If companies are using that resource in all the phases of the project, automatically that resource is going to be utilized effectively in the respective company. Understand it clearly? Like this, if they take 10 to 15 members there like this, automatically the same 10 to 15 members are going to be utilized in front end development, middleware application development at each and every phase of the project. Then automatically they are going to utilize the resources in an effective manner or not. The companies are going to utilize the resources in effective manner or not. If their resources having knowledge on top to bottom of the project. In that way, nowadays companies are recruiting the people. In that way, companies are going to hire the resources in outside. The resource, that means that employee or maybe the person who has the knowledge on every corner of the project, that resource or that developer is called full stack developer. The developer is called as what there? Full stack developer. If he is from Java background, Java full stack developer or full stack Java developer. If he is coming from .NET background, full stack .NET developer. If he is coming from Python background, full stack Python developer. In that way, we are able to have the technologies like what there? Full stack Java development. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity or not? What is the meaning of this full stack? Simple point. The resource who are having knowledge on all the areas of the project development, then that resource is called as what there? Full stack developer. That's the point here I'm telling you now. Okay, leave this content here. If we take the content here, now just understand it clearly. The same diagram, whatever the diagram I given there, the same diagram here I provide in the document now. Now try to observe carefully. After this, after completion of this, if you want to become as a full stack Java developer, what technologies, what frameworks, and what tools we should know. We must aware about what technologies and what tools and what frameworks we have to aware if you want to become as what their full stack Java developer. For that, I'm going to give a list of technologies. Now try to understand the list of technologies. There we can understand here. These are like what there, the list of technologies what we require. If you want to make it is full stack Java developer. So first of all, I have prepared the Java basis. Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices and web services, Oracle, Basic UI, Angular or React.js, Linux, AWS, DevOps, and testing tools. All these many things here we are going to understand under what their full stack. If you want to become as a full stack Java developer, you should know all these many things now. Here either Angular or React, one is sufficient, but at present React.js is having somewhat demand when compared with what their Angular. No need to understand about Angular, directly we can come to what their React.js offer the basic UI. Basic UI in the sense like what they right HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and jQuery. These are what their basic UI. After this basic UI, directly we can come to like what their React.js. Understand it clearly. Okay. This is full stack Java development content. What we have to know if you want to become as what their full stack Java developer. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity or not? Okay, fine. Now understand this clearly. After completion of this full stack Java developer, no. All right, sir. Now, after completion of this, what Durgasoft is providing the courses actually. Just I'm giving information about full stack Java development. After this, what Durgasoft is providing the courses for us. Now, just I want to give clarity on this point. Now, try to understand it clearly. Durgasoft is providing the courses, Java related courses in the form of 4 batches. Observe carefully. What 4 batches here that Durgasoft is providing now? The first one is, all right, sir. Now observe carefully. Batch 1, individual courses. Today, core Java, we can think of it is what their core Java, only one course, individual courses Durgasoft is providing. Batch 2, basic Java package here we are providing. What is this basic Java package now? Core Java, Advanced Java, Oracle, and basic UI. Right, these 4 courses are provided in the form of a separate package. That package is what their basic Java package. Next one, after this, complete Java package, purely Java related. Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle, basic UI. These are come under like what their complete Java package. Next one is what their full stack Java. Already I given some explanation for it. Full stack Java. Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle, basic UI, Angular or React.js, then Linux, AWS, DevOps, testing tools. These are like what their full stack Java. Out of all these 4 batches, no, which one is demanded one, which one is having very good demand in outside market? If you think about it, batch 4 is having very good demand in outside. Full stack Java development is having the demand. Every company nowadays looking for full stack Java developers only. But anyway, Java, Durgasoft is providing these 4 types of batches, 4 types of courses, part of Durgasoft, part of the Java related content. Understand it clearly now. After this, after completion of this, what advantages we are able to get by attending these classes, guys? And one more thing I'm telling there, all these things only today only we are going to discuss now. Next class onwards, purely technical. Why? Because at least on first day we have to show what commitments here we are going to provide. So that's why in the today's session only we are going to understand all the points now. Next class onwards, directly technical content I'm going to start. All right. What advantages here we are able to get from these courses there at Durgasoft? The very first one, observe carefully. All classes videos will be provided. All classes, even including today's session. Even today's session is also recording. No, every class recordings will be provided to us, to the people. No, right. That recorded videos will be provided more than 1 year. Officially, we are having a boundary that is what their 1 year boundary. But more than that also we are able to get. Our people are not going to terminate your access even after 1 year of time. Definitely more than 1 year we are able to get. 1 year is guarantee. After that 1 year also that videos are going to be provided. That 1 year we are going to be calculated after completion of the course, not during this course. No. Not from today. The last date of the course onwards up to 1 year we are able to get. Okay, understand it clearly. Every day video will be provided within 1 hour after completion of the class. For example, now I am going to take the class up to 9 o'clock, for example. within 1 hour, by 10 o'clock itself, our video is going to be ready. That is going to be uploaded in the Google Drive. From Google Drive, we are able to get the access. Or else maybe we are using GoToWebinar app actually. Through that app, we are going to share the link to you. In that app itself, we are going to watch that video directly. Previously, we uploaded that videos through, we shared that videos through Google Drive, but Google Drive is providing some playback issues actually. Because of that reason, now we are providing directly video share with the directly GoToWebinar app only. Directly through app only, we are providing that video support to you. So more than 1 year, we are able to provide that video support to you. It will be advantage to all of you guys. Why? Because in the middle, if you want to, for example, if you are missing 1 or 2 classes there, but if you want to cope up with the next class now, we need to have some backup content. That backup content we are going to provide through what there, this video support only. If you get that video support now, at any time we can watch that videos. Not only that, 1 or 2 times we want to watch that content. You are getting a bit confusion about the content here inside the class now. You want to watch one more time. Then if video support is available, then we can watch that content through that videos now. We are able to get the knowledge through that videos. That is one point, Ken. Or maybe in the middle of the course, unexpectedly, if you want to leave from Hyderabad, for example, you don't want to continue the class here. You want to leave from Hyderabad in the middle of the course because of some other work. There definitely you have to complete your course there. So because of that reason, even we are providing what there, that video support to you. At least through videos, no, we are able to complete your course. Every day video is going to be uploaded. Every day video we are able to get it clearly. Leave this one. Next one is all my classes materials will be provided in the form of hard copy and as well as what there, soft copy for both offline and as well as online students. Guys, now observe carefully. Give 1 minute of time now. 1 minute. Guys, now please check it. Chala, if you get my voice on screen now. Is my voice is audible to you guys? Guys, now please check it. Chala, if you get my voice on screen now. Am I audible? Everybody, please type in questions box, guys. Am I audible? Is my voice on screen is clear to all of you guys? Yes, 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 yes. Guys, then everybody is getting my audio clearly. Please check from your side now. It's okay. It's going on good. Guys, now it's coming there. My video is very clear. Please check from your side now. Very clear and loud. That's nice. Good. Yeah, please check from your side. Okay, fine. Yeah, it's okay, fine, guys. That's nice. It's okay. Now it's going on good. All right, sir. So for every course, for example, core Java, a PDF document is already available for that core Java that we are going to provide, Not only that, regularly I'm going to type the notes inside the classroom itself. While explanation, I'm going to type the notes now. Definitely. While giving explanation, I'm going to prepare the notes also. That notes also be provided to you as a soft copy to you. Already given that link to you. Through that link, you are able to get the document. Okay. So both the soft copy and hard copy is also available, but hard copy is chargeable. You can inquire at our office there. Our admin people will provide that hard copy material also if you require that. Leave this one. Free access to the classroom notes. As I said to you already given that link to you. Through that, we can access our classroom notes. Free access to the classroom applications. Whatever the projects I'm going to do inside the classroom now, whatever the projects I'm going to do inside the classroom there, that projects I'm going to share with you clearly, directly. The total code I'm going to copy and paste into the document in the regular classroom there, classroom notes. There itself, we are able to watch that total coding part now. Another important thing, all the projects we are going to do as what they are live projects. That means every application is a live application. Live application in the sense like what there, every requirement I will take in front of you and every requirement I will discuss with you, and the total application development I will start inside the classroom itself. I will type the program in front of you. I will compile the program in front of you. I will show the errors now. How to come out from the errors I will show in front of you. I'll execute the program in front of you. If you are getting any exception, how to come out from that exception, how to avoid that exceptions, that all the cases we are going to discuss in the classroom itself. My classes are going on with the totally practical. Of course, theory I'm going to discuss. Where theory is required, more theory I will discuss. Where practical is required, more practical we are going to do. Both in a mix we are able to get clearly. Both theory and practical, both we are able to get. Remember one point, without theory we can't do practical. Without practical, we are not going to complete our course. So theory and practical both in a mix we are able to get inside our classes here. So definitely we are going to get that application development effectively. Apart from this, next one is what there. Course completion certificates will be provided at the end of the course. At the end of the course, behalf of Durgasoft, we are able to get a certificate. It is not like a OCJP certification, not like this. Durgasoft is going to provide your course conduct certificate. Right, sir. The course completion certificates here we are able to provide. But this is we are providing there, but it's not like any job guarantee kind of program here. Purely we are putting concentration on training part only. But we are in touch with some companies there in the long run. 15 years of journey, we are already in touch with a number of companies there. Every moment we are trying to invite the companies to come here to conduct the drives. No, some companies will come and they will conduct the drives here. So campus recruitment is also be going on here. But I'm telling clearly, it's not like any job guarantee program. I'm totally against to the job guarantee program. But part of the responsibility, I'm going to invite some companies. They will come here and they will provide some recruitment drives. Now, already some students are already selected in the number of companies there. I think so. In the last week, I think so. 2 companies we processed actually. Then we submit, we send that students to the respective company. The company process is going on. Still, the final list is not coming out. Why? Because still the company people are doing their own process there regarding that. Right, sir. This is important. Understand it clearly. Yeah, please, please. And that last one is what there concepts wise written test on every topic. For example, suppose today if I complete one particular topic there in Java, on that particular topic we are going to conduct what there one written test. On this particular topic we are going to conduct what there one written test. On the written test we are going to understand where we are and what we are, how much you are aware about the technology, how much you learn, that we are going to measure, that we are going to understand through this written test. Now for every topic we are going to conduct what there some written test there. That is one thing. Now next one is mock interviews is optional, sir. Then depending on the students might be then mood. What happened previously, I tried to conduct this mock interviews actually, but students are not attended for it. We were failed in that particular area. At the end of the course, I tried to conduct there, but students are not attending that. But I don't know what is the reason for it. That's why I make it is optional actually. That mock interviews. If you are interested, we are ready to conduct it. But at the end of the course only, we are going to do that. Okay, leave this one. The remaining part is technical. So part of this Java, we are going to work with multiple databases like what Oracle and MySQL, working with multiple servers there. But nowadays, no importance is available for all the servers here. Previously, we had very good weightage for the servers. Now, nowadays, servers part is becoming as very light. When microservices architecture is coming into the picture, where server weightage is going to be reduced. Lightweight servers only we are using. We are not going to use what their heavyweight servers now. But anyway, we are going to see some outputs on what there all the servers there clearly. Working with multiple IDs, mainly we are going to use Eclipse and as well as IntelliJ IDEA. In my classes, majorly we are going to use these three IDEs now. Eclipse and as well as what there IntelliJ IDEA. I'm not going to use even this NetBeans here. Why? Because not required. Nowadays, every project is going on with what there Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA. But my favorite is what there IntelliJ IDEA. Majority of my class are going on with what there IntelliJ IDEA. Nowadays, in outside also be the good IDE is what there IntelliJ IDEA only. Right, sir. Part of the course, part of the document, part of the course, we are able to get what there all interview questions. While taking the content on that particular topic, what interview questions are coming, we list out that questions. We are going to provide answers in the same document itself. Part of the course, we are able to get it. Up to which version here we are going to discuss inside the class now. Up to which version here we are going to discuss inside the classes here. We are going to discuss the latest version. Up to the latest version, we are going to discuss inside the classes. No, still in outside market, Java 8, Java 9 is going on. But at present, people are migrating to Java 17th version. Directly Java 8, Java 9, directly to what there Java 17th version. People are migrating now. But at present, as of now, Java 22 version is available. Up to that, we are going to understand the content. Understand it clearly. Definitely, myself, I'm going to update maybe up to Java 20, the 21st version. I was aware about it. No, 22 version. Still, myself, I have to update myself here. But as a matter of 1 or 2 days of time here, then definitely up to the latest version, we are going to understand in our content clearly. All right, sir. Overall, these are the various benefits we are able to get by attending our classes at Durgasoft. Okay, right, sir. Then after this, and maybe you may have one doubt here. If we take this full stack Java, the total course here, who are going to teach all these concepts actually? This total Java part is my responsibility. Myself, I'm going to teach what there up to these web services right from core Java. Core Java to web services up to this part is my responsibility. But remaining courses might be discussed by some other trainers. Some other expert trainers are available at Durgasoft. They will take the remaining courses. Oracle by Sharif sir will take it no. Basic UI and React JS. Ramesh sir will take that no. Linux, AWS, DevOps. These three topics are might be taken by Maha sir, and testing tools. Some other trainer is available. Rakesh sir will take the classes now. But myself, I'm going to take all these, the first 7 courses clearly. The total Java part, I'm going to take the responsibility. Remaining courses will be taken by some other trainers at Durgasoft. Okay, right, sir. Then this is the roadmap for all the courses. No, observe carefully. But later on, I will talk about this roadmap here clearly. I need to give some structure for you, how to proceed for your training, how we are going to complete the total training part in a less time. That information I'm able to provide to you clearly. Okay, right, sir. Then after this, if you want to come for the Java, core Java syllabus, core Java content, of course, by completing this class, after completion of this class, we are able to get one WhatsApp message there. There we are able to get the total full stack Java syllabus. Nearly almost a 60 pages document we are able to get. There we can watch it. What exactly the content we are going to cover in full stack. No, we are able to get the document through WhatsApp anyway after completion of this class. But meanwhile, I'm telling to you in core Java what we are going to discuss there. If we come for the concepts inside the core Java, observe carefully. Just I'm going to read out the titles only, but internal content we are going to understand in the future. But try to understand it clearly. Introduction part, then where we are going to discuss about the basics, why we are coming for Java over the other technologies, and what Java features are available, how to prepare Java program, what is the structure to prepare the Java programs, the basics we are going to understand. Steps to prepare first Java application, right from downloading of the Java software to up to the execution of the Java program, that each and every step here we are going to understand. Downloading Java software, installation of the Java software, downloading Java editor, installation of the Java editors, how to write Java program, how to save Java file, how to compile Java file, how to execute Java program, all the things we are going to understand. Language fundamentals. The language fundamentals, we are going to understand the basics of the Java. If conditions, for loops, while loop, do while loop, switch cases, break statement, continue statement, identifiers, operators, like different concepts here, all the fundamentals, programming language fundamentals we are going to understand. After that, patterns, how to display stars in a triangle, how to display stars in rectangle, how to display stars in square, how to display stars in like what there, half pyramid, how to display stars in bottom pyramid, how to display stars in like star symbol, like this, different patterns we are going to understand. Arrays is another topic here, how to represent multiple values in a single variable. Oops, object orientation. This is very important. The topic here we are going to understand. Wrapper classes, packages, string manipulations. Next one is what there. Inner classes, exceptionaling, multi-threading. Oops is very important. After that, the next important topic is what the string manipulations, exceptionaling, multi-threading. These two topics are important. IOSIMs is okay, little bit, but required. Knowledge is required. Remaining concepts, this networking and RMI are outdated, but networking and RMI concepts are required to go for the web services topic. These two are basics. No? That's why I'm going to discuss effectively for these two concepts here. After that only, they're going to be useful for what their web services content here. That's why I'm going to discuss about it. The most important, another important topic in core Java is what their collection framework. This is totally outdated, guys. Now I'm not going to discuss about these concepts here. GUI part in core Java, how to prepare windows, how to prepare text fields and all, totally outdated. Nobody's thinking about it, nobody's using these concepts here, but still I can provide that video support. In my previous batch videos are available, I'm able to give that support there. JVM architecture, internationalization, reflection API, annotations, garbage collection, regular expressions, like this. Now small topics are available. In the future we are going to understand all the concepts here clearly. Java 8 version features, 9 version features, 10, and so on and so on and so on, up to Java 22nd version features we are going to understand. All of you observe carefully. Overall, this is the total syllabus of the core Java. Like this, we are able to see advanced Java content and Spring framework, Spring Boot, microservices, all the concepts we are able to get what there as a document in the WhatsApp now. After completion of this course, we are able to get this content clearly. That means after completion of this class, we are able to get in a WhatsApp message now. There we can see the total syllabus here. But core Java information here, I'm going to discuss with you clearly. Okay. Right, sir. Now this is that information here I'm telling there. Regarding, guys, now observe carefully regarding the timings of this course per week. In a week, at a starting March, Monday to Saturday, the classes I'm going to take. Sunday is a gap initially. But if the situation is demanding to us, if we are in lagging position in the syllabus coverage, no, definitely I'm planning to take classes in Sundays also. Understand my point here? If you are lagging, definitely we are planning to take classes on what there Sundays also. Yes, sir. All of you are following or not? Just it is overview. That's why in a bit speed I'm giving all the points now. When we are coming into the actual content, totally we are going to understand in our level only. The technology is going on with a slow mode, but this is overview. Already you are aware about all the points. One time I'm repeating all the points now. Leave it. Then one more point here I'm telling there, the demo classes now I'm taking at 7:30. 7:30 to 9 is the timing for us. All right. In the future, here itself I'm telling to you, in the future, I may start our classes are 6 or 6:30 onwards. Please remember this point here. Why? Because 7:30, then one more point I'm telling there. Nearly 7 courses I have to take. In a single slot, it is very difficult to complete all the 7 courses. 2 slots here I'm going to use. What are the 2 slots here I'm going to use there? 6 to 7:30, 7:30 to 9. These 2 slots here I'm going to use. Core Java I'm going to take in one slot. Next, second course I'm going to start in another slot after a few days of time, but not immediately. 7:30 to 9 is going to be happen here. I'm going to start our course directly 7:30 to 9. After a few days of time, I'm going to start our course in the sense like what there, advanced Java or Hibernate or maybe some other courses in a second slot. 6 to 9 is my time. Totally Java content I'm going to take. Remaining courses you can attend at remaining time. At any time here we can attend for the remaining courses. But 6 to 9 is what there Java related, Java content here I'm going to discuss with you. Understand my point clearly? Okay, sir. Good. So then this schedule I will provide you, but remember the content here. In the future, I'm going to take your classes right from 6 o'clock also. That possibilities are available, but not immediately in the future. Maybe next 10 to 15 days of time, 7:30 to 9 only. After that, I may start your classes right from what there 6 o'clock. Possibilities are available here itself. On very first class itself, I'm giving clarity for you. Now try to understand it clearly. Okay. Right. So now this is from my side. Yeah, please recognize this point here. Then why? Because the timings are almost all fixed there. Why? Because in a single slot, we are unable to complete the total course. If you're trying to complete the total full stack Java in a single slot now, years and years of time it will take now. But at least minimum 2 slots I have to take to complete our content. Then only we are able to complete our content in a bit earlier mode. Understand it? We are going to deal with Java. Java syllabus is more. There's a version almost all, but we have to spin completely, but at the same time manageable. Easily we are able to complete, easily we are able to understand the content. So because of that reason, 2 slots here I'm going to take for Java. Okay. Right, so now that's all from my side. Understand it clearly? Right, and one more point. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, no classes. Tomorrow is Saturday and day after tomorrow is a Sunday. Then first weekend like this only we are planning there. Second demo class we are going to conduct on Monday. Today is the first demo. Second demo is what there Monday. But Monday directly I'm going to start our core Java. Directly I'm going to start what the core Java. Official syllabus I'm going to start on Monday. Monday onwards we are going to continue the content. Monday at what time we have to attend for the classes there? Monday at 7:30. Next 10 to 15 days of time, 7:30 to 9 only. After that I may take your classes from 6 o'clock. Second slot I'm going to start there in core Java. 2 slots I'm going to take now. 7:30 to 9, one part of the core Java. Basics I'm going to take. Almost all whoops onwards. I'm going to take another slot at what time there? 6 to 7:30. Oops is going on at 6 to 7:30. Fundamentals are going on at 7:30 to 9. We are going to speed up our content directly. When fundamentals are completed, there I'm going to start what there advanced Java related content there directly. Okay. Right, guys. Now this is the total scenario. We can understand it now. All right. I want to stop this session here itself. The next class I'm going to take on Monday. Monday onwards, we are going to start our actual syllabus directly. Not demo class furtherly. Directly, I'm going to start core Java basics directly now. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I'll meet on Monday again. Thank you. Yeah, then guys, Tejashwini, then please, yeah, guys, then if you have any queries there, I can assign some time there. You can directly you can talk with me related to this one. Anything else now? Yeah, Tejashwini, just you can type your doubt there, then I can Okay. Yeah, guys, and classroom app. Then on Monday I will give information to you guys. Then don't worry, classroom app. Then I will show to you how to provide that, how to install that classroom app. I will show that to you. Don't worry for it. Okay, fine. And two devices in the sense like what there? Then what is the requirement of two devices? No, anyway, we are giving access to one device there. Actually, mm, yeah, yeah. Monday same link, guys. Don't worry. Yeah, guys, then Haruna ma'am, then I'm telling to you, then UI technologies, RIKL, and all the content we can take at any of your comfortable time, right from morning 7 o'clock to up to evening. But 6 to 9 is my time. 6 to 9 is what there my time care. There only I'm going to take the content now. Okay, right, sir. How to download classroom app? Then I will give information to you guys. Don't worry. Yeah. Then what will happen if I have a office there? Yeah, guys, then 6 to 9 is comfortable for everybody actually. Because of that reason only we are conducting these evening sessions now. Then in the case if you're missing any one or two slots there, one or two classes there, anyway, we are providing videos there. Through that videos we can attend there. Then remaining courses again we can attend for the content now. What's the price if the each batch, sir? Then guys, then one more point I am telling to you. Then if you're thinking about price and everything there, admission process, guys, then some offers are also available there. Just directly you can contact to this number. Then Nagendra is a person there. He will talk with you regarding this admission process and everything. Nagendra will take care about it. In this number, Nagendra will be available. Now directly you can contact with the admin people. I think some offers are going in for this full stack Java. One time talk with him, he will give more clarity on it. Yeah, guys. Yeah, sure. Non-Java related course after I complete the Java related. Yes, why not? Karthikeyan, just we can do that, no problem. Can core Java will be completed in 3 months of time. 3 to 3.5 months of time minimum I need to take. 3.5 months of time minimum I need to take, guys. Definitely. I'll wait until everyone goes on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's okay. 7 is your office time. No? Take from 6 mobile. Okay. Notes, definitely notes will be provided, guys. Don't worry. In the form of PDF and as well as classroom notes, we are able to get it. Any other time is available as I'm working second shift. No. Yeah, I mean, at morning in the future we are going to start full stack Java at morning time, not immediately. In the future we are going to take now. Okay, 6 p.m. it will be difficult now. At least 6:30. Nilvapal, at least 6:30. I'm going to start our class there, Max. Yeah, then our admin people will give more clarity, ma'am. More clarity. Nilvapal. Then our admin people will give clarity for you regarding this. This number and maybe this mail ID here. If you send there, our people will be in touch with you regarding that. If I go for full stack Java course, can I attend all the courses online? Yeah, sure. All courses are going on in online because I'm out of India. Yes, definitely. This course is not only for offline here. This course is going to be happen in online also. Okay, you can attend it through online. Not to worry for it. Yeah. Then at least 6:30 I can manage it. Not exactly 6 o'clock. At least 6:30 onwards I can manage it. No, but not from 7 o'clock. No, just half an hour we can check for it. Yeah, I'm third year student. Can I get inform? Can I get into the price of? Yeah, sure, definitely, Varun. Definitely, you will get it. Testing part is also be covered in full stack Java. Yes, definitely. Selenium testing you are going to be covered, Tarun. Okay. Are you planning to start new Java frameworks batch? I want to join in that. Laksha Malik. Yeah, then it may take some time. Actually, I'm going to start that frameworks batch there. It may take some time here. At some other batch is going to be happen, but you have to wait few days of time. Thank you. When will the next batch in June? Yeah, maybe probably in the next month. For batch 2, what are the timings? No, same timings. Meghna ma'am, the same timing. 6 to 9 is the same time for the second batch also. 6:30 is okay, fine. Yeah, maybe I can manage from right from 6:30. No need to worry for it. Yeah, thanks. How long the full stack Java course is going to be happen? Minimum 6 months of time it will take. No, why? Because we need to cover nearly 13 to 14 subjects. No, 6 months of time minimum I need to take. Yeah, can we get other than Java topics at evening time? Maybe at evening time, but 6 to 9 is our totally busy with that content only in the next 6 months of time then. Okay. Yeah, then I'm planning to start a new batch in the morning IST soon, not immediately. Maybe it may take month of time, 1 month of time. Then after that, I'm going to start it. Okay. Yeah, in June, I'm planning there. In the June, maybe at morning time, morning 7 to 8:30 IST, or maybe 8:30 to 10 IST, like this. I'm planning to start it. Yeah. In June also, we are going to start there, and every 2 weeks of time, 1 week of time, we are continuously starting the new batches. The next batch will come at morning time only. Yeah, Lakshya Malik, then core Java definitely more than 3 months it will take, sir. Not exactly in 3 months, not going to be completed. Why? Because our content is heavy content. We have to complete each and every part, each and every concept we have to discuss there. It may take some time. Lakshya Malik, more than 3 months of time, I will take it now. Yeah, Prashanta Paul. Then in the morning time, maybe in a month of time, I will start the content. In a month of time, we are going to start it at morning time also, but not immediately. Yeah, we can join with these batches, no? Then when the morning class are going to be start there, we can shift to that morning also, no problem. Yeah. Yeah, in then we will share one Excel sheet, guys, for the sake of the videos, no? Yeah, then we will share one Excel sheet where we are going to see that links now. If you click on that links, directly video will be appear for you. There we can see that. Morning timings, no? Morning timings maybe not yet decided at 8:30 to 10. I'm planning there. 8:30 to 10 IST. Or maybe 8:30 to 10 and 7 to. That means there also be two slots I have to take. 7 to 10 is a slot for it. 7 to 10 is a slot for it. There also be two slots I'm planning there for full stack Java. We are planning to take like that. Morning time. 7 to 10 IST. Yeah, Vivek, videos we will share with you, know. Just today is the first class, no? Then by Monday it will be ready with you. Then where we can watch that videos Monday onwards. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Lakshya. Complete Java. Then 5 months of time minimum we will take. Meghna ma'am. 5 months of time minimum we will take it. Okay. If I shoot the morning class, will not be any sync issue because if I join new and then later I join the morning batch, no, won't there be a change of sequence in the course content? No, no. So Prashant Paul, then myself I'm going to teach the same content. Full stack Java myself I'm going to handle it. But other courses are okay fine that we can manage it. No, but Java point of view will not get any problem. 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. is okay for me. 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. is okay for me. But if we take from 6:30 it may be difficult for me. Yeah, please check it now. Why? Because actual slot is 6 to 9. Actually, we need to connect there, but 6:30 is okay. But why? Because 7:30 to 9 in the sense only one slot you are providing there. Then how I'm going to complete it within a single slot now? Only Java 6 minutes. What is it, Warren? I'm not getting it. Warren, I'm not getting it. What you are asking there? Only Java 6 minutes. Where it is? Where we have seen that? To begin morning batch as soon as possible. Definitely, Prashant Paul, we will start it. Which time Oracle classes will be conducted? Vivek, that depends on the timing, sir. Then 6 to 9 is my Java courses, no? In all remaining courses, when batches are going to be announced there, automatically you can join with it in our comfortable time. But continuously batches are going to be started. Continuously batches are going to be announced there, but in our comfortable time, we can start it at morning time, morning to evening, that in the timing there. Will you give homework work each day? Not like every day. Depending on topic, I'm going to give some assignments. Pallavi, then depending on our content there, depending on our subject, depending on the Content, I'm going to give some assignments. Only Java topics are 6 months. Java related. Java, that means then all 6 to 7 courses are available. It will take it. Timings for full stack Java is also in the evening. No? Yes, exactly. Ragni ma'am, at evening 6 to 9 is my Java. That means Java related courses. No, the remaining courses we can plan at any other time period as per our comfortable time. Testing background, do you think that advanced Java is necessary for me or only core Java? Prashantapal, then what is your target now? You want to go for testing or you want to go for full stack Java? If you want to go for testing, there only core Java is sufficient. Or if you want to go for Java, totally Java side there, full stack Java is necessary. Advanced Java is also required. Yes, Sri Puja. Definitely we can take the parallel courses also if you want to complete in 3 months of time. Sure. Yeah, I will give other batches link also. Then through that we can complete it. Yeah, Sri Puja. Then we can complete it within 3 months of time through other batches also. Tarun, then parallelly other courses are going to be start now. So along with the core Java, we can start with Oracle, Basic UI, and DevOps. 4 courses we can start parallelly. In that way, we are going to complete it. Not like what there one after another. How to approach you if you have any questions while coding there? Yeah, definitely. In the classroom, we can type the doubts there. Then I can clarify your doubts. Then a Google Classroom, we can post your doubt there. Max, I'm able to respond for it. I want to go for Java developer profile. That's nice. Prashantapal. Right. Nice. Thank you. I'm currently a BTech student from JZ background. Can I take this course? Definitely, Hari Prasad. Sure. Then for you, it is well suited. Core Java with Selenium. How much time is required? So I want to move. 1 minute. I want to move to the automation testing. Yeah, then when half of the core Java is completed, then we can start Selenium testing. But it may take minimum 3.5 months of time to complete my core Java. Parallelly, I'm going to start advanced Java also. Then through that, we are going to complete it full stack Java. But to complete the core Java, minimum 3 to 3.5 months of time it will take. In full stack Java, other topics which are not begin. Meghna ma'am, at evening also, but other courses are going to be started there. But the point is what 6 to 9 I'm going to take the classes. Other than the 6 to 9, at any time we can attend for the classes now. Yeah, parallel time I'm telling that parallel time. Okay. Yeah, all technologies are in 6 to 9, 6 to 9. Not all technologies, no. My Java related technologies I'm going to take in 6 to 9. All remaining courses are going to be available at other timings also that we can plan there. Okay. Yeah, after all Java topics maybe are parallel to all Java topics, no, nothing else. Then we can start at any time here, other technologies. Core Java and advanced Java, then hardly might be 4 months of time it will take now. If we take parallelly, is it necessary to complete core Java for understanding the front-end technologies? Sri Puja, then front-end technologies we can start right from tomorrow. It's not dependent on the core Java. Front-end technologies we can start right from tomorrow. No need to wait for completion of the core Java. Both are not related. We can start it immediately. Do we need to contact admin to take UI and testing tools courses in parallel? Yes, definitely. Aruna ma'am, just we can talk with the admin people there. They will send continuously. Our admin people are going to share some messages with you when new batches are going to be started. They will send notifications to you. Through that we can attend for the courses. For present job environment, Java full stack Java is the best option. Yeah, no need to follow sequential. Just I'm going to give the roadmap, Sri Puja ma'am. Sri Puja, I'm going to give the roadmap to you. Then what topics you have to start parallelly, what topics you have to follow sequentially. That information I will provide you on Monday. Monday onwards, I'll give that roadmap to you. No need to worry for it. Yeah, no problem. You're new to Java, then definitely I'll give some directions to you know. Front end from tomorrow or Monday. Then our admin people will give clarity on it. Tarun, when the batches are going to be start there, our admin people will send a message to you. In this particular time, this new batch is going to be start. If you are interested, we can attend further classes like this. Our admin people will be in touch with you regarding that. Thank you. Thank you. After this course, will I able to create API using Java? Sure, definitely. Definitely. Nilava. DSA, data structures and analysis, is not required for full stack Java. But if you know that, it will be good. Advantage is no. In the point of companies there, it will be advantage. But in full stack Java, it's not mandatory. So other than Java topics, what we can study combinedly? Yeah, better to start with Oracle and basic UI technologies and DevOps. Along with the Java, we can start directly. Any Java training WhatsApp group created? No, guys. Then WhatsApp groups are not provided here at Durgasoft. No, not only in Durgasoft here, but direct communication with the people directly. Our admin people will in touch with you regarding the issues. No, after full stack, can I prepare complete app from start to end? Definitely, Tarun. Definitely, we'll send the knowledge. We will give knowledge to you. On the basis of that knowledge, you can plan to create your own applications. Definitely, the further only we are giving the total training part here. Okay, yeah. Anything else, guys? Yeah. Shall we meet on Monday? Shall we meet on Monday, guys? Yeah, Monday onwards, directly I'm going to start the content, guys. I think some offers are going in about the Java, full stack Java. Our admin will be in touch with you. Then tomorrow onward, they will talk with you regarding this, like what I'm telling there. Some offers are going in the price, no. Just directly, our admin will be in touch with you or try to talk with them. Okay. Or else, maybe directly you can contact with this number where Nagendra is a contact person there. Okay. Projects in the sense Java domain only. Understand it? No, not like this any real-time project, guys. Just practicing purpose in the classroom itself. Depending on the topic, we are going to prepare some applications. Sakshi Chaudhary, that we are telling there. Okay. Depending on the topic, some different examples we are going to discuss inside the classes now. Yeah. Thank you, Likita. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Likita, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Karthikeyan. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, Nilvapal. Thank you. Happy weekend. Yes. Guys, shall we meet on Monday? If all of you say yes, then it's okay, fine. Yeah. Thank you, Aruna. Thanks a lot. Yeah, Manasa ma'am. Just I'll check it, but but the schedule is very clear. Why? Because two slots I have to take to complete the total course. That's the reason why I'm taking this content like this. Okay. Yeah. Manasa ma'am. Then not daily. Then at initially 10 to 15 days of time at 7:30 to 9 I'm going to take. After that, at 6:32, we'll plan for it. 6:30 onwards, we'll plan there. Definitely, son. Laptop is required. Definitely, you have to attend the classes and you have to practice the content. Definitely, you need that laptop. Okay, sure. Yeah, guys. Anything else? Shall we meet on Monday? We'll do the same time for all the courses. No. Yeah, sure, sure, Tejashwini, sure. Yeah, after a few minutes of time. Yeah, thank you. Can freshers gets accepted at the companies you provided? Sir, definitely, definitely, Warren. Definitely, we are conducting that freshers drives only. Yeah, Manasa ma'am. Then my timing should be. I said you clearly. Right from 6:30 to 9 o'clock is a clear. In the time I'm going to take it. Okay. For Java related courses, remaining courses you can attend might be at other times there. But Java related, Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services are going to be happen at 6:30 to 9. Okay. Okay. Guys, thank you guys. Then if all of you say okay, then we will shut down and I'll meet at Monday. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys. Thanks a lot. We'll see the content on Monday. Thank you.